Hi, my name is Amy from Custom Vinyl Decor. I am going to be showing you how to put up this vinyl decal for your son's room. It can be for a nursery or a little boy's room. I just think it's adorable for a little cowboy. I am going to be putting it on the wall right outside his room so that he can see it whenever he comes downstairs. We're finishing up our basement and trying to get the last of the trim work done and stuff, but I thought I'd go ahead and just put this up so that he could see it every day when he goes in and out of his room. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna just peel this backing off. Super easy. It all. Oops. Okay. Then I'm just gonna I want it closer to his door, but I kind of want it centered too, and I'm gonna put it a little lower for him. This isn't an area where we have a lot of people. It's mostly just my son and my daughter that come down right here, and so I'm not as concerned about if people know that this is the bathroom and this is his room. I think that looks pretty good right there. So I am going to take my handy dandy little credit card and we're just gonna start putting this up. Scraping from the middle. Really give it a good scrape so that it will stick to the wall. Some of this has the little tiny skinny hair from the horse's mane, and that might try and peel off. So you just have to kind of work with it. Use your fingers to hold it down as you're pulling the transfer tape off. And it will stick down, and then when you're all done, we'll just give it one good scrape down so that it stays on. I'll just work with this little skinny part to get that out of the way, because that is going to be our hardest part to get off. Oops. And you can get this decal with any name. We can do a name. You can have it say, your son's name and room, or whatever you want it to say. If it's a nursery, if it's a playroom, you can say your son's name and then their playroom. We can customize this however you would like. Work a couple of these little bubbles out that happened, and sometimes you gotta lift a piece of it up, and that's okay because it'll just stick right back down. But to get these air bubbles out and get it to go straight, and there you go. That is how you put up a cute vinyl decal from Custom Vinyl Decor. Thank you.